How to add emergency contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. The iPhone Health app is a pre-installed application that serves as a central hub for tracking various health and fitness data. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Medical ID. On this page, scroll down to Emergency Contacts and tap on Edit beside it. You can view all your emergency contacts over here. If you want to add another contact, then tap on Add Emergency Contact below. Select the contact you want to add from here. Then, choose your relationship with this person. For example, brother. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily add emergency contact on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.